The new generation of budget-friendly 3D printers has arrived, equipped with hardened components and enclosed chambers straight out of the box. Here, we have best budget 3D printers for carbon fiber.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have Elegoo Centauri Carbon 3D printer. The Elegoo Centauri Carbon represents a bold step forward for creators looking for industrial-grade capabilities in a sleek, accessible package. Built with a robust die-cast aluminum frame, this machine is engineered specifically to handle the vibrations of high-speed printing while maintaining the precision required for carbon fiber composites. It features a sophisticated Core XY motion system that allows it to reach impressive velocities without sacrificing the surface finish of your parts. What truly sets it apart for carbon fiber enthusiasts is the integrated hardened steel nozzle and all-metal hot end, which can reach temperatures up to 320 degrees Celsius. This thermal overhead is essential for specialized filaments like PACF or PETCF. Furthermore, the fully enclosed chamber and activated carbon air filter ensure a stable environment for warp-prone materials while keeping the workspace air clean and safe. The Centauri Carbon 3D printer is built with a strong integrated die-cast aluminum frame that reduces vibrations and maintains excellent stability, even during high-speed printing. With features like automatic vibration, compensation, and pressure advance, it delivers smoother first layers and consistently high-quality prints. On number 2, we have Creality K1C 3D printer. Taking the foundation of high-speed printing and refining it for tough materials, the Creality K1C is a powerhouse often referred to as the champion of carbon fiber. The K1C 3D printer supports carbon fiber filament along with a wide range of other materials, making it a versatile option for different printing projects. It features a clog-resistant direct drive extruder with an upgraded spring and ball plunger system that keeps a firm grip on the filament for smooth and reliable feeding. Emmet's durable steel-tipped copper nozzle is paired with a titanium alloy heat break to reduce heat creep and support high-temperature printing up to 300 degrees Celsius. The nozzle design also makes replacement quick and easy. The Creality K1C comes pre-assembled and fully tested before shipping, so it's ready to use right out of the box. The setup process is simple and user-friendly, similar to setting up a new smartphone. Within minutes of powering it on, you can begin printing. It also includes automatic calibration features such as auto Z offset, auto bed leveling, and auto input shaping, helping you save time and avoid manual adjustments. With just a few taps, the printer handles the setup for you, eliminating the hassle of traditional paper-based leveling. So, these are some of the best 3D printers to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.